5 seconds. Start. In order to substantiate his contention, plaintiff himself has examined as PW1 in the form of affidavit and reiterated almost all the averments once again in the affidavit filed in lieu of chief examination. Full point. The affidavit evidence of plaintiff bar PW1 has gone unchallenged and unimpeached. Apart from the affidavit evidence, plaintiff has placed 4 documents and they have been admitted and marked as per exhibit P1 to 4. Full point. Exhibit P1 and P2 are the records of rights for the year 2010-2011 pertaining to the land of plaintiff and defendants number 1 to 3. Full point. It could be seen from exhibit P1 that plaintiff is in possession and enjoying the land bearing RS number 9/4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 bar P1, measuring 4 acre 16 guntas of Mudhod village, Karwar. Exhibit P1 also disclosed that plaintiff is cultivating the said land and Katha was mutated as per Katha number 1284. Exhibit P2 is also record of rights for the year 2010-2011 relating to survey number 9/4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 bar P2. Full point. It shows that defendants number 1, 2, 3 are in possession and enjoying land in survey number 9/4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 bar P2 full point. Exhibit P3 and P4 are the representations given by the plaintiff to the village accountant, Mudhol circle and secretary, Gram Panchayat, Mudhol, for restraining the defendants number 1, 2, 3 from constructing room on the northern side of his land, full point. On perusal of exhibit P1 to P4, it appears to me that plaintiff and defendants are owning lands in survey number 9/4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 and government channel is situated on the northern side of both lands, full point. The representations given by the plaintiff shows that defendants number 1, 2, 3 are constructing rooms on the northern side of their land, full point. The documents placed on plaintiff side also gone unchallenged and unimpeached, full point.